Hi, welcome to Job Search. Now I'm going to explain about Deloitte hiring. It's an analytics learning for operation in Hyderabad location. Those who are from AP Telangana, it's a good, and it's also for freshers. And the company name is Deloitte, and it's hiring for freshers. Location is Hyderabad. Analytical skills 0 to 5 years. Based on the experience, they will hire you. They will give the salary and package, and the qualification is graduate and postgraduate and MBA also. And the job description is main goes to analytical learning operation in Hyderabad. This is only for Hyderabad. Analytics learning operation in Hyderabad. Are you individual who customer service oriented, enjoy the providing service in international clients different countries? This is completely customer service oriented. They will provide some countries clients. You will communicate with the clients and solve the issues and problem solving. Also, learning operations teams in the USA India office is a team of individuals that provide end-to-end learning, administrative, and back-end operations support. It is a back-end operation for Deloitte, and also it's completely customer service. And next thing, at Deloitte, you will gain exposure that variety of industrial and business model, helping your career in growth, professional development. Next, the shift timing is afternoon shift 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. It's a good timing, and they will provide extra bonus for you because you are doing afternoon shift na. That's why they will provide some shift allowance and everything. Work you will do. Yeah, what is the work and how it is going in Deloitte. They will provide some information. As here there is some information like US talent development learning operation. The support from US only, and you will work from Hyderabad, and it's completely support role. And the service offshore clients with regards to planning, delivery of training. Next, it's essential to act an advisor and consultant to our clients. Next, support administrative tasks and act to manage system data entry. You should know about these topics. While interview, they will ask this type of questions like manage system data entries. What is the data entry? How you use like some skills like MS Excel and everything. And next, communicative effective with the stakeholders and team lead. You should know English more because you should communicate with the US clients, with stakeholders and team leads. You should communicate with team leads, stakeholders, and everything. Okay. Ensure all tasks done in the timely manner and accuracy complete. While they are giving some task to you, you should complete in the time. You should manage the time, and they will provide best experience to you. Next, perform quality checks to task before the submitting of clients. Yeah, they will provide some task daily and perform quality. Like if you maintain the quality, based on quality, they will provide you some incentives and everything. And also, task before they will give some task before you will submit the task. Okay, ownership and accountability towards the process assign the task, time management and effective utilization. Next, team at Deloitte, our team culture is collaborative and encourage team members take the initiative and seek on the job learning opportunities. Okay. Next, eligibility criteria. As I told na, graduate, MBA, postgraduate is the eligibility criteria. 0 to 5 years experience learning backend operation environment. This is the skills like learning backend operation environment. Skills required. What skills they want? Must excellent verbal and written communication. English is more important. Verbal and written communication. Should have knowledge on email equipment. Should have knowledge on email reading, email writing, and everything. Okay. Next, should have knowledge in while going to interview. They will ask this type of questions. They will check your communications and written communication. They will check and knowledge of email. They will check your email knowledge and everything. Okay. Next, you should have some knowledge on Excel sheet. As I told you, na, Excel sheet is more important to enter the data in Excel, and it's used creating data cuts and reporting. While going to interview, you know about some Excel sheets, how to cut the data, how to make a timetable and everything. should have ability to team with others. Okay, should have like how to communicate with teams and others people. Okay, should have able to prioritize time and task, like how to manage that time. They will ask how to manage your time, how to work under pressure, how to manage the task, and they will ask this type of questions. Okay, and also next, how to apply. Here the apply job. Guys, those who are seeing this video, use comet is more useful, and it is easy to use. Okay, here apply. If you have previous one, you should log in. If you have if you don't have anything, and just do it from here, create a new profile and go. I have new one, I will do it, but I don't want now. So the guys who are watching this video, please do subscribe. I want only subscribe, I don't want more anything from you. Okay, please do subscribe.